Hello friends, welcome to DataApp. So in part 1, I covered the PYQs, previous year questions for horticulture static portion from 2012 to 2016. AFO mains previous year question papers. So this is the part 2 of horticulture session in that I am covering the previous year questions from 2017 to 2021 AFO mains previous year question papers. All you know, if you are an aspirant or preparing for the AFO mains examination, then previous year questions are very much important to all the aspirants. So please watch this session till end. So at the end of a previous session, I had given you a question to text in the comment section, and question was, coconut are harvested during the various intervals in the year. What is the economic life of coconut palms? And from the given options, the most correct option is option E, that is 60 year is the economic life of coconut palms. Next. So before going to the upcoming questions, I'm requesting you to subscribe to YouTube channel and also join our Telegram channel to get access of the PDF and the notes of video lectures that we are providing on YouTube. Next. So here the question over your screen, which of the following crop is generally a tropical crop? So question from AFO Mains 2017. So you have to identify which among the following in from the given option is the tropical crop, and the options are barley, wheat, maize, coconut or pasture grasses, and the correct answer is option D, coconut. Coconut is the tropical crop. So what is the tropics? So here in this highlighted area you can see here the region between tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn is called tropics. So in the tropics region the temperature is usually more than 24 degrees Celsius, and mostly the crops which tolerate the heat more, that only cultivated in these tropics. So from the given options, the tropical crop is a coconut crop. Next. Which one is a variety of onion? And the options are Pusa Kiran, Agri-Found, Pusa Jal, Pusa Jyoti or none of these. And the correct answer for this is Agri-Found is the variety of onion. Next. Black heart of potato is, and the options are oxygen deficiency disorder, physiological disorder, disease symptoms, insect attack or oxygen toxicity. And most correct option is oxygen deficiency disorder. So black heart of potato is not caused due to any deficiency of the nutrients or any pathogen, virulent pathogen, that will not cause black heart of potato, but it is due to the environmental conditions, due to the lack of oxygen or excess of carbon dioxide, that will cause this condition. Next. Citrus cracking is due to, and the options are deficiency of calcium, deficiency of nitrogen, deficiency of boron, deficiency of zinc or toxicity of a boron. And the correct answer is option C, that is deficiency of boron that causes the cracking of fruit, citrus fruit. Okay, that will cause citrus cracking. In this image you can see the rind is cracked due to the boron deficiency. Next. Totapuri variety of a mango belongs to which of the following state? And the options are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Odisha, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh. And the correct answer is Karnataka. That is option B is the correct answer. So Totapuri variety of a mango belongs to state Karnataka. Next. Ratna hybrid of a mango is a cross of, and the options are Amrapali cross with Sensation, Dasheri cross with Sensation, Alfonso cross with Neelam, Amrapali cross with Neelam, Neelam cross with Alfonso. And the most correct option is option E, that is Neelam cross with Alfonso. And here is the short trick, that is RNA means R is equal to Ratna, N means Neelam, and Alfonso means Alfonso variety, Alfonso parent. So these are the two parents of a Ratna hybrid, that is Neelam and Alfonso. Here is the Ratna. Next. What is the optimum pH required for grape cultivation? So importance of pH is that most of the chemical processes in the soil are totally dependent on the pH. Okay. So availability of the nutrient also to the plant is dependent on pH. As per the pH, the availability of the various nutrients, okay, that avail to the plants. So pH has a great role in a cultivation of the crops. So from the given options you have to identify which one is the optimum pH for a grape cultivation. Okay, various anion and cations get available when as per the suitable pH requirements. So options are very near, so you have to identify exact answer for optimum pH of grape cultivation, and the options are 3.5 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5, 5 to 5.5, 5.5 to 6.5, or 6.5 to 7.5. And the correct answer is option D, that is 5.5 to 6.5, means slightly acidic soil is suitable for grape cultivation. Next, what is the optimum pH required for guava cultivation? Again, options are very near. You have to identify exact answer for the optimum pH of guava cultivation, and the correct answer from this option is option C, that is a 6.5 to 8, means it is a medium range of pH, where the 6.5 to 8 is the most of this cultivation of the crops is mostly this pH is suitable for most of the crops. So 6.5 to 7.5 is the ideal pH for most of the crops, but guava optimum pH for guava cultivation is a 6.5 to 8 is the correct answer. Next, what is the optimum pH required for banana cultivation? And the options again are very near: 4.5 to 5.5, 4 to 6, 6.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 8.5, or none of these. And the correct answer is option C, that is 6.5 to 7.5. This is the ideal or optimum pH for banana cultivation. Next, in banana, which nutrient is given in a largest amount through fertigation? So, which nutrient is given in a largest amount through fertigation, means along with drip irrigation, which nutrient is highly preferable by the banana crop? Okay, and the options are potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, boron, or iron. And the correct answer is option A, that is a potassium is given in a very large amount through fertigation to the banana crop along with this drip irrigation. Okay, next, which of the following is a perennial crop? So from the given options, you have to identify which one is the perennial crops. There is annual crop, biennial crop, and the perennial crops from the options. And the options are sugar beet, coconut, banana, garlic, tomato. And the correct answer is coconut. Coconut is a perennial crop. Earlier in the very first question, I told you that 60 year is the economic life of coconut. So that's how more than 2 years, that means is a perennial crops. Next, so EduTap is offering two courses, course 1 and course 2, for the aspirants who are preparing for the A4 mains examination. And course 1 includes detailed videos of each and every chapter and their notes, month-wise agricultural current affair magazines, important schemes related to agriculture, and phase 2 test series. It includes all sectional tests as well as full-length mock test. And course 2, for those aspirants who have a good grip over the static portion of the agriculture, okay, they need not to just they want to offer some mock test for their building up good confidence. So course 2 includes 25 full-length mock test, 30 sectional test, and their detailed PDF explanation for each sectional as well as full-length mock test. And validity of these both courses is up to 31st March of 2022. To avail the 50% off, you can use this early 15 code. Okay, early 15. Okay, next, horticulture nursery soil should be well drained. Which of the following type of soil is not suitable for nursery? So for nursery cultivation, soil should be well drained. If not, then that will cause the mortality, that will increase the mortality rate of the seedlings in a nursery cultivation because of poor drainage of water. That's why well drained soil is preferred for nursery cultivation. So you have to identify from the given option which is not suitable for a nursery. Okay, so every time for every question, read question word by word very carefully. All the options you have to read very carefully, then only you can give the correct answer for the question. Okay, so you have to identify the soil type which is not suitable for nursery cultivation, and the options are silt loam soil, black cotton soil, sandy loam soils, clay loamy soil, loamy soil. And the correct answer is black cotton soil. Means option B is the correct option. Means it is a black cotton soil is or regular soil is not suitable for nursery cultivation. Okay. So what is the reason behind? Because black cotton soil having high clay percentage, okay, and that there is a stagnation of water. If seedbeds are prepared with this black cotton soil, then there is a very poor drainage that will cause the damping off of the seedling, that will increase the mortality rate of the seedling. That's why this soil is not suitable for nursery cultivation. Which type of soil? Black cotton soil. And all other types of soil having silt and sandy percentage in it, that's why they are very well drained. That's why they are can be used in a nursery cultivation for horticultural or other types of nursery. Next, which of the following propagation method is used in droopy or vine? For the plantation crops whose branches are droopy, so for that purpose, for the propagation purpose of that plant, which among the following method is used for propagation? And the options are mound layering, trench layering, serpentine layering, tip layering, or air layering. And the correct answer is a serpentine layering. That is option C is the correct answer. So in this image you can see here the droopy branch means the branch, and with the help of this peg, okay, these branches hold beneath the soil surface, and again with the help of peg, again the next propagation, next seedling is come out, and this again the branch is hold with the help of the pegs. Okay, that's how. This is the serpentine. Okay, serpentine layering. Okay, and this method is followed for the propagation in a droopy or viney whose branches are droopy in nature. For that plant crops, this method is followed for the propagation. Next, which of the following crop is the highly sensitive to water shortage? So water sensitivity, you have to identify which crop is highly sensitive to the water shortage, and the options are citrus, cabbage, sugar beet, sorghum, or none of these. And the correct answer is a cabbage. That will give very early symptom than other crops if come across when there is a water shortage in a soil matrix. Okay, and other crops, other categorization of low to medium, medium to high, and highly sensitive water shortage, highly sensitive crops to the water shortage is depicted here. Next, here the cabbage is the highly sensitive to water shortage. Next, India export maximum bananas to which of the following Arabian country? And the options are Saudi Arab, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, or none of these. And the correct answer is A, Saudi Arab. So for in this Arabian country where the India export maximum bananas. Next, commercial propagation method of cashew is, and the options are hardwood stem cutting, enarching, tea budding, softwood grafting, or none of these. And the correct answer is option D, that is softwood grafting. Here you can see the process of softwood grafting, pencil size of scion and stalk, okay, and the grafting with the help of grafting tape. Okay, so this is the process, and this is the commercial propagation method for cashew. ठीक है. Next, golden revolution is related to, there are various revolution, white revolution, green revolution, etc, etc. So you have to identify golden revolution is for what is the objective of golden revolution. So and the options are to increase the oil seed production, food grain production, or fruit production, vegetable production, or jute production. And the correct answer is golden revolution is for fruit production and other relevant that will increase the fruit production. उसके लिए था golden revolution. Okay, next, which is the commercial propagation method of banana? So commercial method of propagation of banana is, and the options are seed, tea budding, suckers, ring budding, or none of these. And the correct answer is suckers. Mostly to get a disease free banana, micro propagation method is used, but this is not a commercial method, it is a very expensive. Okay, but commercial method for the propagation of banana followed by most of the farmer is suckers. Propagation through the suckers. Our suckers are nothing but the rhizomes with lateral buds. They will emerge, okay, and emerge near to the parent plant. Here is the parent plant and here is the sucker in this image, and this sucker will taken out for the propagation for the next season. Okay, next, crown cleaning is related to, and the options are cashew, coconut, banana, bear or pineapple, and the options correct answer is option B, that is coconut, in which crown cleaning, okay, to avoid any incidence resurgence of pests and diseases, to kill the hibernating pest, this crown cleaning is done in coconut. Next, pulsing is related to, and the options are processing of flowers, pulse storage, apple storage, fruit production, or none of these. And the correct answer is pulsing is processing of a flower. Okay, to increase the shelf life or the weight of flowers, these sugar solution in which these flower cuttings are dipped, that is called pulsing. Okay, next, which of the following is a tropical fruit crop? So again, tropical means usually temperature about 24 degrees Celsius. So you have to identify which crop that bear the temperature about 24 degrees Celsius and cultivated in the tropics. And the options are apple, pear, strawberry, papaya or none of these. And the correct answer here is option D. Papaya is the correct answer, which is the tropical crop. Next, removal of male bud in banana is known as, and options are detasseling, desilking, denaveling or desuckering or none of this. And the correct answer is option C, that is denaveling is the correct answer. Denaveling means male portion, male part of banana plant is removed with the help of sharp knife or sickle, okay, to avoid the transfer of energy for the growth of this male plant, and that is not productive in nature. That's why this is removed is called denaveling. Okay, and this detasseling means removal of tassels in maize. Desilking means removal of silk in maize. Desuckering means, I already told you, is the commercial method for the propagation of banana. Desuckering means removal of suckers from parent plant. Next, 58 question is grape training system where they are connected with each other is known as, and the options are telephone, niffin, skipping or bower or vitralis, and the correct answer is a telephone training system where these grape training system where they are connected with the each other. Here the lines, okay, here they are connected with the each other, okay, in a telephone training system of grape planting. Next, in which type of planting system 4 plants are planted in a square in which plant to plant and row to row distance is the same, and plants are planted to right angle to each other? And the options are rectangular system, hexagonal system, square system, quinquenous system or none of these. And the correct answer is option C, that is a square system where the row to row and plant to plant, here the row to row or plant to plant, and you can see here the same distance and the plants are planted at a right angle, okay, in a right angle, okay, to each other. So this is the square planting where the 4 plants are planted in a square. Here 1 2 3 4 4 plants planted in a square. Next, botanical name of pomegranate is a very easy question, and the option is correct answer is option B, that is a Puccinia granarum is the botanical name of pomegranate. Next, irregular bearing is found in which variety of mango? And the options are Kesar, Pairi, Totapuri, Himsagar, Neelam. And the correct answer is option A, that is Kesar. In Kesar, irregular bearing means after 2 years there is a bearing of a mango for the Kesar variety. Okay, this is called irregular bearing, not regular. Okay, there is a there is a skipping. Some of the years are skipped in between the 2 bearings. Okay, in the successive bearing. Okay, next, which medicinal plant is known as laxative medicinal plants? And the options are ashwagandha, tulsi, guggul, isabgol, Sarpagandha, and the correct answer is B. Isabgol is called laxative medicinal plant. Okay, here the husk and seeds are used for economical purpose, or economical plant part is husk. Husk, here you can see the husk, and small seeds are the economical plant portion. Next, aesthetic and shady plantation for decoration purpose. So what is the term for this? And the options are arboriculture, viticulture, landscaping, silviculture, or moriculture. And the correct answer is option A, arboriculture, where aesthetic and shady plantation are planted for decoration purpose. In this image you can see here. Next, pungency in onion is due to, and the options are allyl propyl disulfide, allyl disulfide, melanin, ethepon, or none of these. So pungency is due to, mostly due to the sulfur components in the that crop or that fruit crop. Okay, and pungency in onion due to, and the correct answer is option A, that is allyl propyl disulfide. That is the pungency, that will cause the pungency in onion. Next, what is the fruit type of pineapple? And the options are berry, pome, drupe, psoriasis, or none of this. And the correct answer is psoriasis. That is option D is the correct answer, is the type of fruit in pineapple. Next, rose fruit type is known as, and the options are hip, balusta, berry, drupe, or synchronous. And the correct answer is hip. Hip is a fruit type of rose. So what is hip? So here is the flower, petals, and all. So hip is the, here you can see at the bottom portion of the stem called hip. So when the petals are withered, okay, then the small fruit is formed, and this type of fruit, here in this image you can see this type of fruit, when all the petals and all the stamens will wither, then this type of fruit is called hip. HIP. Okay, hip is the fruit type of rose. Next, blossom and rot is dash and is due to deficiency of dash. So you have to identify the name of crop in which blossom and rot is a deficiency symptom seen, and that caused due to which kind of a nutrient you have to identify from the given options. And the options are seen in tomato and caused due to iron, seen in tomato caused due to calcium, seen in onion caused due to ferrous deficiency, or seen in onion caused due to calcium, and the last option is seen in potato and caused due to phosphorus deficiency. And the most correct answer is seen in tomato and caused due to calcium deficiency in a plant of tomato. So here this is how in this image you will see the rotting from the bottom. Okay, so from the blossoms, so here the withered flower of a tomato. Okay, so blossom and rot, from this end the rotting will start, that's why it's called blossom and rot, and this is due to the calcium deficiency in tomato. Next, what is the ICMR recommendation of vegetable crops? So what is ICMR? Please comment this, what is ICMR and the full form of ICMR in the comment section. Okay, and the options are 100, 200, 300, 400, or 500, all the values in a gram per day. Okay, so you have to text a full form of ICMR in a comment section, and correct answer for this ICMR recommendation for the vegetable is, correct answer is 300 grams per day, but actually it is a 350 grams per day. Okay, so here in this you can in this image you can see the proportion of food for getting 200 kilocalories for Indian diet, and here various food materials, that is cereals, pulses, fat, dairy products, vegetables, fruits, nuts are given, and here except potato, vegetable contribution per daily vegetable contribution should be 350 grams for each human being on an average to get 2000 kilocalorie in an Indian diet. So, okay, so this is the ICMR recommendation for the vegetables and others. Okay, So comment this, what is the full form of ICMR in the comment section. Okay, this was the last question. So my dear learners, thanks for giving me your precious time. If you have any doubt, query regarding your preparation, please feel free to mail us on hello@edutab.co.in, or you can call us on 8146207241. Okay, so stay connected, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you so much.